In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction history on Apple Pay. If you've been scrolling through your wallet and wondering how to clean up past purchases, here's the key thing to know up front. Apple Pay does not let you delete individual transactions. Those entries are tied to your card's activity as provided by your bank or card issuer. The only way to remove that history from your wallet view is to remove the card itself from Apple Wallet. Let me walk you through exactly how to do that and what it means for your device. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. From there, choose the card whose transaction list you want to clear from your wallet. On the card screen, look to the top right corner and tap the More button, the one that looks like three dots. Next, select Card Details. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Remove Card. When you tap that, you'll be asked to confirm. Go ahead and tap Remove to finish. Once the card is removed, the transaction history associated with that card immediately disappears from your wallet on that device. If you later decide you want to use that card with Apple Pay, again, you can add it back at any time and new transactions will start building a fresh history moving forward. Just keep in mind that removing a card from your wallet does not delete your actual financial records. Your bank or card issuer will still have a complete statement of your transactions and you can view those through their app or website. It's also helpful to know this change is device specific. Removing a card from one iPhone or Apple Watch clears the wallet history on that device only. If you use the same card on another device, that device will still show its own Apple Pay history until you remove the card there as well. Before you remove a card, consider whether you need quick access to any recent receipts or reference numbers in Wallet. If there's something you may need later, make a note of it now because once the card is gone, those wallet entries won't be visible. And don't worry, future transactions will be tied only to the cards you currently have added to Apple Pay, so your wallet stays up to date with what you actually use. That's all there is to it. By removing the card from Apple Wallet, you remove its transaction history from your device's wallet view. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.